All right, peoples of the world, the girl has discovered some way to make pizzas. Pizzas in the truck.
Well, I already made one.
Yeah, but I didn't get to see her make it, neither did you. So she's going to teach us how to make it. Shut your face.
Low carb wrap.
She's 4 carbs per wrap. And what do you got in the pan here?
Pepperonis. I got to brown them first.
All right.
Or heat them up.
She's going to brown them now. What's that?
Marinara.
Marinara. Get extra. Now you can brown things on your cooking top if you have one in your truck or in your what kind of cookers are they on that we didn't get?
Instapot.
Instapots. You can brown things in if you get an Instapot, guys.
You could microwave these. I'm just heating them up a little bit so they're.
You can brown things in the Instapot. Swear to God. All right, so the girl has cooked up the pepperonis. You see them steaming over there. There is 1 gram of carbs in them pepperonis.
Ow! Ow!
She wants to burn her fingers.
No, it popped. It did not burn my fingers.
Taking some of the grease out of it because we don't need all of that grease. Now the next step is 4 grams of carbs in the flatbread. And she is going to do the let's call it the Mexican thing or whatever, and she's going to brown the tortilla. Are you going to brown it on both sides?
Yeah, I'm going to let it cook that way just so it'll crisp it up, and then I'll flip it over.
All right, we're going to watch. It only takes a few seconds to warm up your tortilla, and then you flip it as such. Now the marinara comes into play. She's using half of a container of marinara. I think that's kind of chintzy, but hey, that's all on her.
Well, that's what was open. Do you want this other one on there too?
Oh, probably.
Y'all listen to him.
Look, that's pizza sauce. Yeah, just go for the gusto. It's got good flavor.
Oh, this might be too saucy.
I don't think so.
You don't think so?
No, it'll have flavor.
Now, if you're going to make good pizza, you got to try and get it near the outside, too.
Okay. Now, there is 1 carb in 1/3 cup of cheese. I don't know if we're using a whole 1/3 cup. Let's just say we are, though. Just for the heck of it. Just for easy measurements, right? So now we've got 4 carbs in the bread, 1 carb in the cheese, and 1 carb in the pepperonis, for a total of 6 carbs.
Well, we're not sure about the marinara. The tomatoes have some carbs, but they're not labeled because they're sample sizes.
We're just going to let that one slide and say that those carbs do not exist today in our world.
It's our world. We get to decide what we do.
That's right. At this point, boys and girls, is when she adds the pepperonis.
That are already hot. Ouch! Hot!
And
Hurt
she's
my finger.
trying to burn her fingers and get the dogs all excited over that too. Now, when this is a la complete, you could cut it in half for 2 servings. Or if you're a hungry man, you could eat the whole damn thing.
Or if you're a drunk man, it would be a perfect snack for you to burn your fingers on.
It would be. Are you going to let it sit here and melt a little bit?
Melty! Oh, and because I am a chef with a rude-ass audience over here. Look.
And what is that? Oregano?
Italian
seasoning? What about garlic? You going to throw garlic in there?
I put some garlic salt on it
All
last
right.
time.
Garlic salt.
So, Italian.
You could actually do up some onions if you wanted to also. But
Oh, look at you getting all.
I mean, why not? It's a meal. I can have it my way, like Burger King.
Then get one of the fat plates out.
Okay, she's getting a fat plate out, guys.
Does it look done to you? Is the cheese melty?
It looks appropriate to me.
And you just scoop it up. I ain't scooped up one this big.
You want me to do this? Hang on.
Look at Daddy. Oh, are you going to pick up the whole thing and slide
All right,
it?
guys, y'all saw what she was going to do.
They see my flowers. Don't knock my flowers
not
over.
The way to do it, because we're going to do it this way, and this isn't the exact pan you want to use, but hey, it'll work because we're truckers and we can make things work. We can do some shady shit.
Here's your pizza.
It looks good.
It looks weird because it's in the... There. Smile with your pizza.